Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily customize the auto lock screen timeout on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to put your likes, write your comments at the end of the video, and let's get to our topic. So, for this, you will need to open your phone settings. Then scroll down a little bit to find the display and brightness section. Here too, you'll need to scroll down. And that's where you'll find Auto Lock. You click on that. And as you can see, here you have these choices. How long you can set this Auto Lock timeout. You can choose any time. You can choose anywhere from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Or you can choose never, then your phone will not turn off until you turn it off. I, for example, usually use 5 minutes, it's quite enough for me. If you want to save, for example, your battery, so that it doesn't drain so quickly, then I suggest you go for about 30 seconds or 1 minute. This is the simple way, friends, you will be able to customize the auto lock screen timeout on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to our channel. See you later.